Hello everyone, it's Vika again and it is the nursery rhymes lesson. So, do you remember the poem which we learned last time? Yes, probably it was about the butterflies. Probably it was about the trees. Do you remember? Yes, the name of the poem was Mother Nature. Yes, so the name is Mother Nature. And today we'll try to repeat it one more time in order to learn it better. Okay, so let's repeat all the heroes of the poem and then we will repeat the poem. Alright, let's start. Do you remember who is that? Do you remember? Can you tell me the name? Right, butterfly. It's a butterfly. Okay, and who is that? What is the name? Who is that? Tell me. Bee. Bee. Correct. And what is that? Can you tell me? Grass. Let's repeat. Grass. Correct. And what is that? Sky. Sky. Okay. How about this one? What is that? Sea. Sea. And also it could be ocean. Ocean. Okay. How about this one? What is that? Tree. Tree. Correct. And this one? Can you tell me? Yes. It's sun. Sun. And the main hero? Who can tell me? What is that in the picture? Nature. Nature. Correct? So we repeated all the words, so now we can repeat the poem. Okay? Okay, and now we'll repeat the poem. First time we will do it slowly. Yes? And the second time we will try to do it faster. Let's start. Are you ready? Butterflies and bees, oceans and seas, green, green grass, and big, strong trees. A huge round sun in the sky, so blue. Listen to what they say to you. They do not talk, they do not shout. Their beauty is what Mother Nature is all about. Okay, thank you. You did a great job. And now let's try to repeat it faster. Okay, are you ready? Let's try to repeat line by line, but we'll do it fast. Okay, so butterflies and bees, oceans and seas, green, green grass, and big, strong trees. A huge round sun in the sky, so blue. Listen to what they say to you. They do not talk, they do not shout. Their beauty is what Mother Nature is all about. That's great. My dear kids, you did a wonderful job. Thank you so much. And you know what? This Sunday in our country, we will celebrate a very nice holiday. It is called the Day of Cosmonautics. Do you know what is that? It's about space. It's about rockets. Yes? So, and next time we will learn the new poem, which is called Five Little Men in a Flying Saucer. What is flying saucer? Who is that five little men? We don't know. We will learn next time. Okay? At the moment, I have a task for you. Look at this picture. This is the flying saucer. It's like a plate, but which can fly. Okay? So your task is to draw this flying saucer and to draw 5 little men inside the saucer. Okay? So I hope you like my task. So see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.